Here's the best way to get support recovering your Amazon account. I'm going to leave a couple links in the description for the different things that we look at. One is to this landing page. So if you're having trouble with your account, having trouble signing in, you're trying to recover your account, then there's a couple topics here that you can go through. And it just depends on your situation. You might be someone that is trying to reset your password. You forgot your password, or maybe the password you're trying isn't working. So there's a couple topics for that. Like, I forgot my password. You can try going to the password reset page. You might be saying, I've already done that. So there is a, if you've already tried this type of section here that you can go through. But then if you've gone through that and you still cannot get into this account, you're basically trying to recover, then there's a few other options here, like if your account is on hold, or if you can't even create an account, etc. Now you'll see here, like if your password isn't working, then there's actually some phone numbers that you can call. And I think this phone number might be the same on each page. I'm not sure, but I would click the link and go to this landing page so that you can look at the latest information and the latest phone number. But if you're still having trouble signing in after trying all of these steps, there are numbers if you're in United States or Canada, or if you're international, that you can call to get support. And that's going to be the best way to really have someone that you actively work with in recovering your account. If you've gone through all the normal steps already, like verifying your email or two-factor authentication or resetting your password, all these kind of steps, then you're going to have to get to support and contact them somehow. If you don't really remember anything about your account, there's even this like, I do not have an Amazon account but need assistance. If you're not sure if you have one, etc., then you can call. I believe that's the same number as the other page, but I would go to this page and check and just make sure and click on whichever one of these is the best for you. And so if you're trying to recover your account, this is where I would start, because you aren't signed in. And so you've got to get to customer service somehow, and it basically makes you sign in no matter what. So there's a shortcut link in the description, takes you to this page, and you can choose kind of the path that makes the most sense for you and get on the phone with Amazon if you need to and try to recover your account. That's how I would go about recovering my Amazon account, and that's how you can recover your Amazon account. And I wish you the best of luck in doing so, and hopefully the process isn't too painful. But yeah, that's how you can contact Amazon customer service without being signed into your account and try to get your account recovered.